Let's see the differences between a bad ranking short versus a good ranking short.
Snowball fight!
Oh, she totally got you.
That was unexpected.
I got this!
That is hilarious.
I got this!
That slap was crazy.